In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a collage on Google Slides. Creating a visually appealing collage can be a fun way to express your creativity. Google Slides is a versatile tool for this purpose. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open your browser. If you're using Chrome, locate the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of your window. This icon looks like a grid of small squares. Clicking on it reveals a menu with various Google services. This step is crucial because it gives you quick access to all Google applications, including Google Slides. Once you find the icon, simply click it to proceed. Next up, click on the Slides option from the list that appears. This action will redirect you to the Google Slides interface. Here you can create and edit presentations easily. It's important to select Slides as this is where you'll be building your collage. You will see a new window opening that allows you to either start a new presentation or access existing ones. Now, let's open a blank presentation in Google Slides. Look for the plus blank option, which is typically displayed prominently on the screen. Clicking this will create a fresh canvas for your collage. A blank slide is essential because it provides a clean space to work with as you bring in images and design your layout. After that, click on Insert, then navigate to Image and select Upload from Computer. Alternatively, you can choose images from your Google Drive or Google Photos. This is where you begin to populate your collage with visual content. Selecting images from your computer allows for a more personalized touch. You will see a file dialog appear, prompting you to choose images from your device. Next, select all the images you want to use and import them simultaneously onto the slide canvas. You can do this by holding down the Shift key while clicking on your desired images. Importing multiple images at once saves you time and makes the process more efficient. Once you finish this step, you'll see all your chosen images appear on the slide. Now, click on one of the images you just uploaded. Then click the small drop-down arrow next to the crop tool icon located on the top toolbar. This action opens up additional options for editing your image. This step is particularly important because cropping allows you to customize how your images will appear in the collage. From there, hover over shapes and select a framing option such as rounded rectangle, circle, or hexagon. This gives your images a unique look and enhances the overall design of your collage. Choosing interesting shapes can transform ordinary photos into eye-catching visuals. Next, double-click the image to drag and reposition the photo content inside its new clipped frame. This allows you to adjust the focus of your image within the shape you chose. Repositioning is vital because it helps highlight the most important parts of your photos. To size your images, grab the corner anchors of any image to scale it up or down. This method ensures that the proportions remain intact. Proper sizing is essential for maintaining visual harmony in your collage. It helps each image fit well within the overall layout. Next, to rotate your images, click and drag the small circular dot floating above the top edge of a photo. This action lets you tilt it at a casual angle. Rotating images can create a more dynamic and playful look for your collage. Finally, if one graphic blocks another, right-click it, hover over Order, and choose Bring Forward or Send Backward to arrange the layers. This step is crucial for ensuring that your collage has the desired visual hierarchy. Proper layering can make your collage more engaging and visually appealing. And there you have it. Following these steps, you can create a stunning collage on Google Slides. Enjoy the process and let your creativity shine.